Hello guys, so this is about how to add a second monitor on your Ubuntu system. So I got here IdeaPad L340, which is a Lenovo laptop, and I got a Ubuntu OS 1804. And in the first place, I couldn't add the second monitor on this machine, but now I got the second monitor connected here. So freely I can move here like this, the browser to the left and right. This is very convenient. But for some reason it's really hard for me to figure out how it's working. When I googled it, they say that it's just easy, just connect it and it's just working. But for some reason, for me, I couldn't make it working. So I posted a question on Stack Overflow, but I didn't really get any good the solutions from people. And finally, I got the solution by myself actually. So I wrote some here like the commands to making working. Thing is that it was about upgrade my Bluetooth driver and updated it. So I'm going to upload this video and this commands so on YouTube. So if somebody was people's struggling with this issue like me, then probably that will be really helpful. So just check it out.